What's up, family? So this is what I'm about to do for you guys really quick today. I'm gonna take you through the whole process of me going into the store, what I look for, how I look for it, and I'm just gonna film it all really. So I'm not gonna do too many cuts on this video, guys. I'm just gonna like kind of film what I do. So right now I'm looking for my keys to leave. No, I'm just joking. We're gonna cut to the car and then we're gonna cut to the store. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm about to do. Maybe it's a hit today, maybe it's not. I don't know. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If I don't find anything, then I won't find anything today. I'm gonna hit one store. That's the Goodwill over here. I was gonna hit the Walmarts and everything, but it's getting a little late in the day. I got some other stuff I gotta take care of online, and I'm working on some surprises for you guys that you guys have been asking for. So I got a lot of work to do today. But besides that, I'm just gonna hit the store, Goodwill. We're on our way right now, and excuse me, guys. And if we find something, we find something. If we don't, we don't. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do. What's up, family? I'm in the car, my dirty car. I need to clean my car. It's horrible in here. But I wanted to let you guys know something really fast on the way to the Goodwill. Like I said, I may or may not find things. You know, I don't. There's been times I went in and I was filming and I didn't find anything, so I didn't upload it. But this time I'm gonna upload. If I don't find anything, I don't find anything. Which brings me to my next thing I want to say to you guys. You're not always going to find products. There's gonna be some days you can hit 5 stores and find nothing, and then I mean literally the next day literally you go into that store and they probably put things on clearance, or they're restocking or reshelving or whatever, right? And you find home run products in the exact same stores that you went into the first time and didn't find anything, which means that you guys should understand that you never know. Like, I mean, this is a hustle. This is no different from any type of hustle, right? You have legal hustle, you have illegal hustle. This is just a legal hustle. You can make serious coin doing this, guys. So I mean, it's all up to you. Really, in reality, it's all up to you and your mind frame and how bad you want it and how hard you want to hustle. Hold on, sharp turn. Oh man, yeah. So guys, like I was saying, you can make 1,000, 2,000, 3, 4, 5, 10, you know, a week. Whatever your goal is, you can make a week, but you have to put in what you want out. You get what I'm saying, guys? And you're not gonna find products in every store. So for the people that say I can't find anything, well, keep going. You're gonna find stuff. Like, and it's on how bad you want it. Like, so, and then for the people that want to reach a certain amount, like that, let's say you want to make $1,000 a week, right? That's a good starting point. That's what I was hitting, 1,000 a week. Then I got all the way up to my biggest week was for retail arbitrage was a little bit over $3,000 in the week. And actually I'm lying to you guys, because last year Q4 I made $2,000 in one day. In one freaking day I made $2 grand in one day, which made me start filming more, right? I should have filmed that, but there's home run stuff like that you guys don't know about, that I've made some serious coin. The reason why I'm even still making these videos, the reason why I'm so passionate about this, and I know it works, because I know it's going to change lives. So we're here, guys. We're here at the Goodwill. It's a big ass Goodwill, isn't it? Yeah, but we're here. I'm walking in. Let's see if we find anything. Yeah! Oh, she was coming in. The color of the day is yellow today. Yellow. I always just go around the edge of the store first. I always just hit the edge of the stores. Just swerve around here. See if I see anything. Oh, how you doing, buddy? Okay, man. I'm good. Oh, let's see. That's pretty cool. So typically, what I start off by looking for is things in boxes with barcodes like this thing right here. So let's scan this, see if it comes up. Nothing came up. Let's see. Sometimes it won't come up. Sometimes you gotta type in the actual brand, but I don't even see a brand name, and these are kind of heavy anyway. So, and they're glass. So let's look for something else. So yeah, be careful with glass, guys. That's another thing. Be careful when you find glass products. Make sure that they're not gonna break. I've sent in a few things. Some success with glass, others no success. It broke. Alright guys, there's a lot of people over here. People are finicky about cameras. Let's try to sneak by. Here's something. Look, right here. See this? That's something I would definitely scan. I'm definitely going to scan. Let's see if we find anything with that. It's 24 bucks. So let's see. Bring out the scanner. Slow moving ASIN, 1,000. It's ranked 1,000. Guys, look at this, 1,000 in camera. You can sell this product in used condition. Well, I'm just gonna say it's used because it probably is. Doesn't really matter, even if it's new. Look at the profits on that, guys. $63. It's $24.99 here. Selling for $63. So let's subtract our profits. Let's just say 25 bucks. I would make $38. This is a go. One FBA seller, no Amazon, and it's 1,000 in camera. Throwing that in the cart. You see that, guys? That quick. You see the profits on that? That fast. It's ridiculous. Actually, I'm about to make a U-turn and go back over there because I seen something else. Wait, what is this? A popcorn maker? Okay. All this stuff, guys. All this stuff. But see, none of this stuff really matters. We want the stuff in the box first. So, like this. What is this? The boxes. Electronic. Let's see. Let's find the boxes will open. There goes the scan. Let's scan this one. Let's see if we find anything. There it is. 7,000. 24 bucks. Let's see. 7,000 in wireless. 24 bucks. 28. It's something for 19. That's not worth it. Not for me. I mean, some will do this. Let's see. Let's just say it's 20 bucks. 20 bucks. So the profits would be $8.41. Some would take that as a quick flip. But knowing me and knowing what I want to go for, it wouldn't make sense for me right now because I know this can potentially be half price. On the week of purple, I can get it for $9. And if I get it for $9, then yeah, I'll come get it. So I'm gonna pass on that one, guys. Let's keep on. Even though, like I said, I know a couple of my buddies would eat that up. That would be in the cart already. But for what I want, I'll pass on that one. Toast maker. Let's scan this guy. Let's scan. Oh shit! Went to the wrong camera. Let's scan this. There it is. 300,000. No, we don't want that. And it has a low rating. No, it's a no-go, guys. Look at these extended life humidifier filters, and there's 2 of them. Let's see. Let's see if we get lucky with these guys. Let's scan. Let's scan these. No luck. No luck. And at 3 million. Let's scan the front. Sometimes we get lucky like this. It doesn't really have a BSR. So that's a no-go. That's a no-go, guys. Alright, guys. So I kind of circled the store really fast. Showed you guys a few things while I did circle the store. A few yes, well, one yes really. All the other ones no. I found a few things that I would get on another day. Just not right now. Wouldn't make sense for me to get it. guys. So really, there's nothing else here. So let me turn that around. There's nothing else here. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up with this one item. But just that one item alone, remember guys, that was like a $38 profit, I think, on one item. So it's a good day all in all. One product, $38 profit. I'm gonna wrap it up. Alright, see you guys. Peace. Okay guys, so it is nighttime right now. It is 10:39 to be exact at night. I've been left the store, obviously. I got home, but we had to do a couple of things for my other channel that I was filming for, guys. Like I told you, I'm gonna show my whole life on that channel, pretty much. Videos dropping very soon. It's kind of like I might just make something really quick just to throw out there. But anyways, I ended up getting one item. Okay, guys, I ended up getting one item. I showed you guys there wasn't too much in there. Sometimes that's what happens. I don't always film that, but it was one item only. That is going to make me a profit of $38, and it cost me $25. So that's still over 100% ROI. So it's still a good catch. Yeah, but that's it, guys. Sometimes you go in the store, you don't find nothing. Sometimes you find one thing. Sometimes you find a home run and a bunch of stuff. That's just the name of the game. But the real name of the game also as well is to get it in fast. Get those fast flips. Like, I'm going to show you guys how to really rock. This is how we really rock, guys. You got to get in, get products, ship them in. I mean, you don't want to sit on products unless you only have one or two. And you don't want to, like, waste a shipment, you know, pay for a wasted shipment if it's not going to make you that much profits. But if you got some stuff where it's making you, you know, a couple $100 or even $100 even, or whatever you think is comfortable for you, whatever you think is comfortable for you, then just ship it in. That's the name of the game. Get out there, spend that money, buy some product, get some inventory in, get out there, get some more product, get some more inventory in, and just keep those shipments going and going and going and going and going, and keep that fire burning, like I used to say at the beginning. That's the name of the game when it comes to retail arbitrage. If you want to make some big coins, keep the fire burning, keep shopping, keep looking, keep buying, keep shipping, keep inventory, and keep it going and going. That's the same thing even for private label anyways. You want to always keep that inventory, keep that fire burning, keep looking for a new product to private label. You know what I mean? And guys, if you haven't watched one of my videos I made on private label, I made one video only so far on this channel pertaining to private label, and that's how to actually find a good product to private label. And guys, like, that's a gold mine way to find one. Okay guys, that's one of the secret tips that no one is sharing, and I was the first one to share it. I was the first one, and that is using the Seller app to search for a new private label product, guys. I'll post a link below to it'll just say like a cell phone private label. Find a product with your cell phone. That's a slick way to find a product. I'm telling you guys, people are not hip to that. They're not hip to that, and the YouTubers with more subscribers than me are gonna see this, or eventually hear about it, or eventually give it away. But I was the first one to give it away, so go check that out, guys. How to do that in the link below. I'm about to get going, but I just wanted to show you guys just one day of me going in there, and I'm probably gonna go back tomorrow in other stores tomorrow, and I'll film it again. I'm gonna keep showing you guys this, keep you guys motivated, keep you guys on the let's go, let's get in these stores. You guys should start up some channels yourself too, and show other people. You know, the community that I'm gonna create as well. We're gonna be posting videos. We're gonna get busy, get live. Let's get it, guys. So I'm getting a little tired. But I got a lot of work to do. I'm on my channel right now. I got a lot of work to do, and I'm gonna keep the fire burning for you guys. So if you're not subscribed, then what are you doing? You're not my family if you're not subscribed. If you're subscribed, you're my blood. But if you subscribe and hit the bell and went to go follow the other channel you already know, then you're like my ace, and I always got you, guys. So make sure you go follow the other channel. Like I said, there's no videos on it yet. There's nothing on it yet, but that's love. If you go to subscribe it right now before there's nothing on it yet, that's super love. Like, and I'm gonna forever hold you guys down. So make sure you go subscribe to that. Everything links in below. And yeah, I'm out, guys. Till tomorrow. Let's go. Let's get it. Peace. I just bust my own lip. Shit.